is Bridget Mackay, and I'm an attorney. And if you're seeing this video for the first time, I've done several video blogs on my website and on YouTube. I practice in the area of wills, trusts, probate, estate administration. But this next series of videos, I want to address some issues that will definitely be coming up soon for folks, and some that may already be experienced by clients. And that is, how do I care for my elderly loved one? These videos are kind of aimed not for the elder, more for the caregiver. But this first video, I want to give you a few statistics just so you can get an idea of how big of an issue this is going to be for us in the future. Over the next 3 decades, the number of people older than 65 in the U.S. will double from 40 million now to 80 million. These are a study that I saw that came out from Stanford. By 2030, 1 out of every 5 Americans will be 65 and over. And by mid-century, the benefits of Medicare and Social Security, the cost of it for the country, will equal the amount of income tax that the country is receiving. So there will be no wiggle room for those benefits, or maybe even no increases in those benefits. Some of you may already know these statistics, but as a result of them, people have often called this time frame the silver tsunami or the elder quake. What it really means practically for you is, if you have an elder that you're concerned about for whatever reason, whether slight memory loss going on, forgetting to pay some bills, stopping driving and needing more help, this next series of videos are going to address just sort of on the surface of things you need to start thinking about. And I would say for this first introduction video blog, the most important thing you can do for your elder is to make sure that they have the tools in place that you will need going forward to care for them, not only health-wise, but their financial well-being. So I'm going to give you a little scenario that will continue through the remaining blogs, and it involves Grandma, who is getting up in years, but right now she's still able to care for herself and can do all of those events of daily living, eating, showering, getting around. She may have lost her license, but she's still going, or she may still be driving. But there may be some things that you notice are missing. You know, like I said, missing paying bills, just little slips in memory, probably nothing alarming. It's at this stage that you really do want to get your tools in place, and those are kind of the basic documents I've been talking about all along: a trust, a pour-over will, powers of attorney for her financial decisions, and her, most importantly, a healthcare directive. Because she still has capacity, you can still go to an attorney, she can still tell this attorney what she wants without any appearance of there being any undue influence. So if your elder can get there on their own, or if you take them there or help them research an attorney, any relationship they have with an attorney will be with that attorney, and you are not entitled to be in those meetings, nor are you entitled to any of the documents that come out of those meetings unless your elder or loved one agrees that that's okay. So putting the foundations in place for your elder while they're still with it is probably the best and most important step you can take in thinking about these issues and preparing them for the future. You'll clearly need the help of an attorney. So when thinking about these issues, definitely research them. There's a lot of information on the internet, but we'll have some subsequent video blogs that I'll go over some more detail of this scenario where Grandma starts declining and not being able to remember things, or maybe make food for herself or pay her bills. Thanks.